Hi, I'm Charlie. This is my second video. You might have seen my first one, the advantage of wearing skin-based hair systems. Today what I'm going to be doing is teaching you how to color a hair system off your head or out of the shop at home. First thing, you need to go get you a block, something to work on, and a clamp. Makes it a lot easier if you got tools to work on at home. Okay, the color you want to use, this is a level 3 with 50% synthetic grays. It's not going to cover the gray. But anyway, it's faded and it's about 2 shades lighter, so I'm going to go with 2 shades lighter color. I'm going to go to a 5A ash and use like 10 volume developer. 5 volume is better. And you mix it up, a couple of little ribbons, a couple capfuls of the developer, mix it up, and you paint it on. As you can see, I've already started painting it to save time on the video. And just start brushing it on. And you're gonna leave it on for 10 minutes. Don't go over 10 minutes or it might go a little darker than you want. And a lot of people are scared to take them off at home, just even to retape them or rebond them. I'll be doing a video on how to do that in less than 15 minutes. But don't be scared to take it off. If you got the right tools, you can do it. And this is easy to do as it looks. 10 minutes. You leave it on, and it'll look like it just came out of the factory. Okay, take you a pick or a wide tooth comb and go through it. And let it set for 10 minutes. Okay, it's been 10 minutes. I went and shampooed it out. Sprayed a little leave-in conditioner on it. Now it's back to the color it used to be. 10 minutes, no more than that. See how easy it is when you got tools to work with. Like I said, I'll be doing some more training videos in the future. And you might want to visit our website at www.101hrs.com. We're selling stock hair systems and custom stocks, $179 plus free shipping. Take a look at it. Thank you.